Kate here with WTI. Now, cleaning your jewelry or other small items has never been easier with this RIGATE Ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. It is the perfect compact size. It doesn't take up a lot of space. You plug it right in. All you do is add water. You can put a cleaner in here as well, and it will clean like nobody's business. This is such a cool product. So it uses ultrasound waves. It's not very loud. It just has that pulsing kind of a sound, and it creates tiny little bubbles which clings to particles and helps to remove them. So if you have jewelry that's showing some wear, maybe it's dirty. I personally don't take off my jewelry when I do all of the jobs around the house, and so they get pretty grimy. And so just throwing them in here makes a big difference. I love how it has the basket. So if you have small items, maybe tiny earrings, things that could fall through, you can put those right in the center and they'll stay in place. It also has this great watch holder. It keeps the top out, but the band's in to get a nice clean. It doesn't stop at jewelry. You can use this for everything. Your glasses. I personally use it for my Invisalign. So I have a retainer at night. This is perfect for that. You wear those day after day. They can get gross, and so this gets them nice and clean. If you have an especially dirty item, you can use some cleaner, like I said, and you can run it a few more times for as long as you need. There are some preset times on here for jewelry or for your watch or for your glasses, but you can just use your judgment. But overall, such a cool product. It really does work very well. Plus, you can clean your rings at home, so that makes it extremely convenient. So definitely test it out, and that's my point of view.